This is amazing. You see the quality of this hair? You see how it's combed freely, there's no tangle. You can see this. Ooh. The wig I'll be installing today is from XRX. This is the wig. We added some magic. Oh, look at this. Oh, for my Christmas tree. Thank you so much. This is so gorgeous. And they added a big comb, hair clips, detachable adjustable strap, a wig cap added to it as well. Oh, I really appreciate this. I have about, how many of them? This is about 8. I have 8 of them. So these are all the goodies. You guys can see these. Thank you so much, Xrsbeauty Hair. Oh, I really love this. So guys, this is the wig. It's 14 inches. Let me bring it out. This is it. Is their new natural layout edge wig. So I'm going to put a picture of this new natural edged lace wig and a regular pre-plucked wig, so that you guys will see the difference between this one and the regular pre-plucked wig. I'm going to add a picture to it. This is how this one looks. It came pre-plucked, so I'm not going to pluck this. You see, it blends in my skin. See, let me put my hand. See how it blends into my skin. So you can see the hairline. You see, this came already pre-plucked and came with center part. I'm cold, that's why I wore this piece. Guys, you guys can see from my voice. I'm tired of saying that all the time in all my videos, but I just have to. Because my voice, ooh, my voice. I've been sick for some days now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. On me, yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind. Wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know, I know. You are the type that they warn me about, yeah. When I'm with you, all the wrong feels alright, yeah. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, Fanya matende olo, nya matende o. Hey, fashionably late on purpose, all eyes on you. So fashionably late. Wind up on the place, now all of the guys want you.
I put my hair straightener on 220 to straighten the hair, because I want it really, really straight. I'm cutting it from here because I really want to follow the hairline. That is why I'm cutting it from my mannequin hair. I'm just following the hairline. So this is the inside. This is the construction. Came with some combs, inbuilt adjustable strap. See, in the back, it's like this, with a comb here. So I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, dash to the description box.
She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing.
it shed a little. That's something I just found out this hair. Okay, so I'm going to glue it down. Let's see. I'm going to use should I use styling gel? Normally I use styling gel.
Just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know, tell me what's the hold up, wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I've got all the things you need from me. I wanna hear you say you still believe in me. I just wanna know.
Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna
know.
Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna feel something real.
Normally I use styling gel. I just want to try this to see, but you can see that you no longer see the lace.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control, I admit it. All this Tennessee hit my limits. This might be all the here, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me, love me for the leisure, only for the eve. See you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this. Why you in a rush? No, you got no business leaving. Why you always leaving? No, you want that repeat.
You can see this lace has melted on my skin. Ah, see this? Okay, I'm going to do the other side as well.
All this inside of my head, know when you're ready. I just wanna know.
Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna
know.
Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna feel something real.
I did not bleach the knot because the knot came bleached. You see, you cannot see the lace. It blended inside my skin. So I'm going to tie it down and leave it for some seconds. Okay. So let me lose this from it.
With no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
This is just to blend. You see this small little lace you're seeing here? Just to tap it on top. I really like how this blend inside my skin, that you don't even see the difference between the lace and my skin. I don't know if it is too white, if the camera is too white. My lighting is always a problem for me. The setup of my lighting, I haven't got it right. I've been trying my best to like get the setting of my lighting right. But I still feel, let me clean here. So that will be it for this hair tutorial. You saw that the hair is so gorgeous. This new edge, is it new? What's the name again? This new natural lace, new natural layered edge wig met inside my skin. You can see, you don't see the difference. See that the installation, I didn't do much. I just use my got2be glued spray. This is the spray on it, and I got this result. The thing melted on my skin. Pardon my voice, okay? You guys know I'm still sick. I don't like saying it all the time. So that is it, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. On me, yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby. The things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know, I know. You are the type that they warn me about, yeah. When I'm with you, all the wrong feels alright, yeah. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, nyamatengue olo, nyamatengue o. Nyamatengue olo, nyamatende o. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Nyamatengue olo, nyamatengbe o. Nyamatende olo, nyamatende o. Hey, fashionably late on purpose, all eyes on you. So fashionably late. Wind up on the place, not all of the guys want you. She shut it down and knows how to move it and checking what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do. We making a movie, the things you and I go through. Every time we link up, it's a roller coaster when we make love. Sometimes I don't really know where I have you. Feels like someday you could flip us. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, nyamatengbe olo, nyamatengbe o. Nyamatende olo, nyamatende o. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Baby, do you know if you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me? She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me.
So I don't want it too much. I just want to put in just one side. You can see the color here. See this one? I mixed 3 colors. Blue, this color. See this, so cool.
For me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Yeah, my thing,
so it's just for you to clip it on it, and that is it.
Oh, no.